island of Kauai is. There to our left, how the island comes out to a point, there's a lighthouse called the Kilauea Lighthouse, which you can drive up to. And then to the right of the lighthouse, along the shoreline over there, is where Mark Zuckerberg lives. So if you lose your Facebook password, you know where to go to. And here at the bottom of the valley is the Hanalei Stream. This is the same one I pointed out that comes out to the bay by the pier. And it all starts in the back of this valley on top of the big mountain. And the way back, which is called Waialeale. Waialeale was the volcano that formed the island, now extinct. Also the second rainiest place on Earth on top. We average around 450 inches of rainfall each year. It actually holds the world record for the most annual rainfall ever recorded, which was just under 700 inches in 1 year. Still holds that world record, and that ends up being about 35 feet of rain. Where I come from in Arizona, we get about 7 inches per year. A little different. We actually had a rainstorm in April, last April. We got 13 inches in 24 hours. Caused a lot of flooding. That's where all this water comes from on the island. Why we have so many waterfalls and streams. And that's one of the reasons why Kauai is nicknamed the Garden Isle. Everything tends to grow like a weed here. That's why you got to fill out all that paperwork on the flight over too. They don't want you bringing anything over that could take over. Which has been done, and you may notice the big trees with the flat tops around the island. You'll probably see some here in the back of the Hanalei Valley, but they're more prevalent towards the east side, where the airport is, and towards Poipu on your way that way. But when we see some, I'll point them out. But they were brought over initially for building material, but we get so much rain they grow about 12 feet per year and over 100 feet tall. And they're very soft and brittle because of that. And so now they're not good for building anything, and they're considered an invasive species. There's some right there. Yeah. Here to our right will be some waterfalls. Twin Falls is what these ones are called.
It's just a beautiful day. It's just a beautiful day. It's just a beautiful day. Ain't no one can take that away. It's just a beautiful day. Don't you feel away? It's just a beautiful day.
Waialeale is also the tallest point on the island, 5,243 feet tall at the top. Almost a mile above the ocean. I told you when we got to the Nepali coast that it's one of my favorite spots on the island. I'd have to rank it number 2. My number 1 is coming around the corner here. So Waialeale, right after it went extinct, the entire column of the volcano filled up with water. There was so much water, the mountainside couldn't hold it back, and it washed the east side of the mountain away, kind of like a dam breaking. And it opened up the column, and now it's a crater. It's called the Waialeale crater, and days like today are the best time to see it. Because there's lots of waterfalls in there, and they only run when it's raining. So as we come around the corner here, we're going to go take a look at it.
Me and you and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. see friends shaking hands, singing, how do you do? We're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry and I watch them go. They'll learn much more than we'll know, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Everybody gotta save themselves. Make the kuleana na pono for help the auto. And when you make your kuleana, pono day, it's like kind of automatic kind of. You don't need to talk the stuff when happening. And you just gotta let them, and the stuff just waiting for when you ready. What happened? The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, singing, how do you do? We're really saying, I love you. I love you. I hear babies cry.
Well, now you can say you've flown inside of a volcano.
They'll learn.
You can leave out the part that it's extinct. Make it sound cooler. But coming around the crater, you're going to notice more of those Albizia trees. Here from basically the Waialeale crater this way. They're everywhere. But leaving the crater, I got good news and I got bad news. Good news, gorgeous day on the island. This is the best flight of the day, don't tell the other flights. It's been the most open, seen the most whales, the most waterfalls, and it's nice and smooth, and we got to see everything. Bad news, the airport's right there. We already went around the whole island.
That was awesome.
Get up. This is the best way to see it, for sure. Because there's a lot of things you can't see unless you're in a helicopter.
The bird's eye view.
Right. There's some more cattle ranches on the island, all these grassy areas.
Did that reset?
No, so we're at 18909. This I think that's a new Hobbs meter. That's not the actual hours on the helicopter.
This one's a 2008, I believe.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, no, every 12 years, the EC-130s have to be completely overhauled and rebuilt. But we just had some problems with the Hobbs about a month ago, so they just replaced the meter. This airframe, this particular one, has probably over 30,000 hours in it. But it's basically a new helicopter every 12 years. Still keeps the same hour amount though. This lake to our right, this is the Twin Lakes. This is where they filmed the Disney Jungle Cruise movie with The Rock. And have you guys seen Wailua Falls yet? The waterfall you drive to? Now, it's a 150-foot waterfall with a parking lot right at the top. Take this road right here. Takes you right to the top of the waterfall. It's only 15 minutes from the airport. Quick activity I recommend if you haven't done it yet. Also, definitely go check out the turtles at Boy Blue